Good morning, all. Oh man, 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 oh man. Upper intake manifold. It's not on there like permanently, but I just kind of wanted to mock everything up. So it is custom done. No, I did not do it. It came with the engine package that I bought at one point in time. To fit with my cage, I have to cut this little portion right here. I believe, and then I'm just gonna cut out like little brackets and extra crap that I don't need because weight reduction and race car. Oh, hello. Please be prepared for smiles and crying. Lots of crying. Anyway, hi. Looks good. Brake booster, painted, along with the lines. No, you might make fun of me for painting my dash. I've done it like with all my dashes and it works really good actually. Not squishy or tacky or anything. So it's all nice and metallic black. Heck of a lot cheaper than buying a black dash, because if you've ever tried to find or buy a nice non-cracked dash of black, then you'd be insane to have that much money. David!
Baby,
You have a bug!
I do have a bug.
Oh my word, it's here and alive.
Yeah?
It,
Dish soap, like a drop or two, and like a quart of water. Take some tin foil, go in a circular motion. You can wad it up in a ball, doesn't matter. Tin won't scratch chrome. And yeah, go ham, and it's beautiful at the end of it. I mean, if you want like a perfect finish, get somebody else to do it. Otherwise, don't complain. Chill. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you for joining me, Nick.
thank you for having me, David. It's nice to be here.
Today we're going to talk about Trump's America.
Oh,
Or not.
okay, that sounds good. Let's not do that. Well, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Okay, David doesn't like Bill O'Reilly. Jeez. Honestly, we're just bored and just cleaning some parts, so
I'm pissed now.
it's okay.
Oh! Ow, ow, ow.
So put. See how? Oh god. What about this? That is. Oh, it's up a little bit further than this.